Hey everybody, welcome to New York. We're on Fifth Avenue. You're just looking at the plaza on the right, and that's Fifth Avenue right there. We're gonna walk through Fifth Avenue shortly, and here I am next to the massive Apple store. You need to go down there and walk down a few stairways, a few steps down to this massive Apple store. If you haven't been there, you have to come to New York next to Fifth Avenue to experience it. It's a marvel, beautiful architecture down there, and NYPD police van, and you'll see that typical smoke coming up from the tube station, I think, subway, and let's walk through Fifth Avenue. This is Bergdorf Goodman to my left. I love this store. It has all the beautiful stuff that you can find in New York. It's a bit like Harrods. And as you can see, there's Bulgari opposite, and yeah, I'm just walking right next to this massive Louis Vuitton bag. Like, F off, massive Louis Vuitton bag. Beautiful, I think. Look at that classic Louis Vuitton monogram. Massive, it's insane.
I didn't know Tiffany was in Trump Tower.
Okay guys, we're at Trump Tower. Gucci's always been the tenant of Trump. It's been there for ages. And if you look in the horizon, you'll see Mr. Trump himself. Can you see him? Look, he's just waved at us, I think. That's hilarious. Look at him. That's Mr. Trump right there. Donald J. Trump, everybody. That's so funny. Okay, why not I walk you through the Trump building, eh? I haven't been inside for quite a bit. Let's enjoy. Ooh, it's so Christmassy at Trump Tower. It's actually quite lovely. Very festive feeling. And we have Dolce & Gabbana to our left, and we're still here on Fifth Avenue. It's Christmas season, guys. So festive. And look at that, we have Meta Lab. This is, I think, Meta, Facebook, and people are queuing to get in there. That's insane.
He uses them to do what? To film you guys? Doing what?
New York City is so busy. I love it though. Look at the amount of people on the pavement. It's just insane. There are billions of people here. Oh wow.
And I said, don't tell me, baby boy, I'm bringing you out. I'm bringing you outside today.
Coming out?
I didn't get cold and stay cold. I didn't go from today 60 degrees tomorrow.
That's it guys, I hope you've enjoyed Fifth Avenue. I've done my 25,000 steps this evening, and see you guys later. Have a good day.